shall we do a revision of how this works? Because probably haven't done this for a while, or do you think you
Yeah.
remember how it goes? Yeah, okay, let's do it. So we will do question 1 as our revision. Okay, so this is simultaneous by substitution. When you've got a linear and a quadratic, you have to use substitution method. What does that mean? Well, that's equation 1, equation 2. You rearrange equation 1 to make one of the
Do you
letters
just do like x equals y
substitute.
minus 7?
Yeah, you get. Yes, okay, fine. Yeah, very clever. You move two things around. You move the minus x to that side, and yeah, so that was good. Well, x equals y minus 7. Okay, we call that equation 3. It's a little bit long, but it's kind of repetitive how it always works. Like, you always get an equation 3, and then you use that equation 3 at the end again. So then you're going to stick equation 3 into equation 2. I'm very lazy with saying substitute, so write sub. In the real thing you should write substitute. Sub 3 into 2. And what do you get? You get
Y
y
squared,
squared, good, plus,
plus, and then you do y minus 7 squared
yeah,
equals 169.
you got it,
And then you multiply that one out, the
yeah,
bracket. So it's y squared
yeah,
minus 14y
yeah,
plus 49
yeah,
equals to 169. So
cool.
y squared plus. And then you,
Actually, what am I doing? I'm going to write the wrong thing.
so
Okay,
that's 2y squared
2y squared,
minus 14y. So you can do 169 minus 49.
yeah, 49 minus 169. So what would that be? Minus 120 or something?
Why do you, wait,
So you normally make it equal to 0, don't you? So you bring that over.
oh yeah, so you do 49 minus 169, 100 minus 120
Minus 120.
equals to 0. And then
Cool.
do you do two brackets?
Um, you can divide it all
Do you
to
divide by 2?
divide by 2. Very good. Oh, still a big number. Wow. Okay.
So it would be like y and like y, and there'll be like, do you have to use a quadratic formula?
Maybe if you can't get the answer really quickly, you could just go,
But,
give up. I'm just going to
oh
use
wait,
the
minus
formula.
60, so you do minus 10, wait, would that work? No,
Minus 10 plus
plus,
6. You would have to
oh it
do.
don't work.
That wouldn't work. No.
So 12 minus 12 plus 5.
Yeah, I think that works, doesn't it? Yeah. Well done.
And then, what do you do after that? Equals to 0. So y equals to 12.
Yeah.
And, and the other y equals to 5. And then you
Minus
substitute
minus
one of
5.
them.
Yeah.
So
And
then you do 12 minus
so
x.
now we have to get that thing.
Yeah,
Um,
substitute it in.
I'm gonna
So substitute
copy it because it's so far away. Copy.
y equals to 12 into equation 1.
Yeah.
So you do 12 minus x equals to 7. And then so you do 7 minus 12. So when
12
y,
minus 7. Yeah. Because that's what we're using, isn't it?
oh,
Yeah, you're confused? Because it was y minus 7, yeah? So we said y was 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5.
Oh
And
yeah, sorry, I was looking at the other.
oh, okay.
Uh, okay. So then that is something. What is
Just
column
getting a bit
17?
messy there. Okay, so
So that's so when y equals 12, x equals 5, and then when y equals 5, um,
when y equals minus 5, yeah.
yeah,
X
um,
equals
12 minus, and then where is it? Minus 7, it's 19.
minus 12. How do you get minus 19?
X equals to 12.
Minus
Oh,
5
minus
minus
12,
7.
minus, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that wasn't bad at all. They can look a little bit different here and there. So might as well try. I'm trying to think. Where are the ones that are different? This one is a bit easier, isn't it? Because they've already got one letter as a subject, and this one's a little bit more interesting because it's got 2x. I suppose that makes it a little bit different. Do you want to try that, or you can try the one that's really a bit different? So do you want to go for 3 or 6?
Hmm, let me think.
So 3 is not that different. C is a bit more different.
Let me see.
So
Y
3
plus.
easier, 6 harder.
Let's do the easy one.
Yep, cool. And then we can always do the harder one afterwards anyway.
Yeah. A question like this came up in my exam.
Yeah.
It was the last question. And I didn't get it right.
Oh, you
Oh,
go.
wait, let's see what I got for that. Wait. That was the second last question. It was
Okay.
x squared plus y squared equals to 36, and then x equals 2y plus 6. I got 3 marks for that.
So you can easily do it now, I think. 2x plus y equals 4. And
Which
y
question
squared
was
plus x squared equals 5.
so then you rearrange it. So
Okay.
y equals to 4 minus 2x.
Yeah, good.
And you do 4 minus 2x squared
Yeah,
plus
okay.
x squared equals to 5. So you multiply that out,
Very
which
good.
is,
So obviously when you're doing the real thing, you should be saying like sub
yeah.
3 into 2 and blah blah blah. I'm gonna write that roughly. Sub 3 into 2 dot dot, and then you get
Why
that.
do you have to do that?
What do you mean? What? The whole thing? Sub 3 into 2?
Why do you have
Dot
to
dot.
write it down?
Because that's part of working it out. Otherwise, like, somehow this just happened. You know what I mean? Like, how did that happen?
Can you use
Language.
more?
Yeah.
Really? Oh my
Yeah,
god.
definitely, man. It's not like. Maths is like communicating. It's like, you're not communicating anything. Just randomly writing stuff. Where this could be like. Anyway. Okay, so what happens next?
So it'll be 16,
Nice one. Yeah.
uh,
So
16,
then the middle bit is times them together and double it.
minus 16x,
Very good. Yeah,
and
yeah.
then plus 4y, 4x,
4x squared. Good.
and then plus x squared
Yeah,
equals to 5. So
yeah.
that would be so it'll be like 5x squared
Very good. Even the right. Oh, the
minus
x squared.
16x minus plus 16 equals to 5, and then you minus 5, which is 9.
Good.
And then,
Oh, what's 9? 11, you mean?
oh yeah, 11, sorry.
Yeah.
So yeah, 5x squared equals to 0, and then you have to substitute the stuff. So it'd be like 5 x and then 16. So
Are you trying to factorize it?
yeah.
Can you figure it out?
What's it? 5x minus 11
Yeah, it's
x
gotta be,
minus
isn't
1.
it? Yeah. Good stuff. So,
Um, so 0. So
we got dot dot dot. We've got 5. We can just 5x equals 11. I'm skipping 5x minus 11 equals 0. And then x equals 11 over 5. Yeah. And this
yep.
one is x equals 1.
Mhm.
And then we've got to remember our equation 3 as usual. Y equals 4 minus 2x.
Yeah.
Let's just write that down. Y equals 4 minus 2x. That's equation 3. And
So
you should say sub x equals 11 over 5 into equation 3, and then you get. Should I write that down? Let's write it down so you get a feel of how things should be done. So you go, and I say sub, I mean substitute, which you should write. So substitute x equals 11 fifths into 3, and you get, of course, y equals 4 minus 2 times. Bracket means times, doesn't it? Yeah,
mhm.
I like brackets. Yeah, brackets. It kind of shows something was substituted. I like that. It's a nice way of doing it. So 4 minus. Oh my god! Wow, it's ugly, man. When I say ugly, it's like not a very nice number. 22 over 5. Wow, what is that? 4 minus 22 over 5. Can you do it? 20 over 5 minus 22 over 5 is to get a common denominator, isn't it? Do you remember that trick? They turn the 4 into something over 5, you times by 5. So
Isn't it y equals?
yeah, this is all what y equals.
Do you use? I'm so confused.
Okay, so y is this. Y equals 4 minus 2x,
So we're
yeah?
trying to find x.
No, we know x is 11 fifths.
Yeah, but I thought that was y equals. I'm so confused.
Yeah, and then from x we work out y, don't we? And we
Wait,
know
y
y
equals 4.
minus 2x.
Yeah, so we substituted that in.
Yeah, into equation 3, which is basically this equation.
4 minus 2x squared plus x squared equals
No,
to 5.
y equals 4 minus 2x, not 4 minus 2x squared.
Wait, go up.
Go up, yeah. That's equation 3.
Because I thought y equals, so we already substituted that in. So y equals 11 over 5.
So we got x, and from x we get y.
Do we? I don't know. Oh, so confused. Can you start again?
Well, yeah, we could talk through it, of course, yeah. Okay, so we got equation 1, which gives the equation 3, because we want to make something a subject, yeah?
Yeah.
And then we stick equation 3 into equation 2, which is our quadratic.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you stick 4 minus 2x into our y squared thingy. So
Mhm.
you got 4 minus 2x all squared plus the x squared equals 5. And then you expand that out. So 4 minus 2x all squared is 16 minus 16x, because you do 4 times minus 2, which is minus 8x, then double it, which is minus 16x, and then you square the minus 2x. Minus 2x times minus 2x is plus 4x squared, and that x squared is this x squared, and it's equal to 5. Then you simplify it, so 4x squared plus... Sorry, let me quickly, just in case my wife's locked out. Shanika? Are you outside? No, I'm almost finished. Okay, Shanika. Yeah, because she's been out. I'm not sure if you have keys, but anyway. Okay, so so you got 5x squared, yeah?
Yeah.
And you got minus 16x, and you got the 16, and the 5 goes the other side. You got 16 minus 5, which is 11. So 5x squared minus 16x plus 11 equals 0. Then we factorized it, and you can see it's definitely factorized nicely, because minus 11x minus 5x makes minus 16x.
Yeah.
Then is I should have wrote this. Let's write it down. 5x minus 11 equals 0. Do you know what I'm saying? And this one says x minus 1 equals 0. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm just confused because it's like y equals, you know, the start of it.
The start of it, yeah.
Yeah, y equals equals whatever.
4 minus
I
2x.
thought, yeah. I thought that y equals 5 over 11, and then we find x.
No, x equals. So maybe you could, and it's, you know, sometimes you're doing so much math. Sometimes you get worn out. Do you know what I mean? So you can, you know, it's. I don't think you find it hard because you're doing it really easily before. So x equals 11/5. Then you stick that 11/5 into this equation. 4 times.
But how do you know it was x equals 11 over 5, not y equals 11 over 5?
Because we were doing x's, isn't it? These are all x's, isn't it? Ah. Yeah.
Y equals 4. So we substituted it into the y one there to find.
Okay.
That's on. Oh.
Yeah, you just got a bit tired, and we've done more than an hour anyway. Maybe that's why you're dying. Okay, let's just finish this. What y equals 4 minus 2 times 1, which is 2. So y equals 2 in that one, and this one is y equals minus 2/5.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna put it up online anyway, so maybe you can check it
I'll
out.
just see.
But you can also, you can check this one, you can check the videos that are already done about this topic. Blah, blah,
Okay.
yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. 5
At
o'clock?
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock? Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
In the morning, of course. Yeah, you're
Yeah.
11 o'clock. Okay, alright then. Okay, so
Okay.